Hey, Günther, did you know that Simon loves Yuki?
That's so uncool.
Why?
Because it's not scary.
Oh, Günther, not everything has to be scary. Look at this video. It's so cute.
Hello, everybody. Nice to have you back for another lesson.
Hello, Mr.
Hi,
Daniel.
Danny.
Hello, Dan.
Hi, Dan.
Hi. Remember last week's test? I told you that we would correct it this week, so let's start. Last week we talked about the two tenses, the present simple or the simple present. It's the same tense. Present simple describes facts, things that happen repeatedly or more than once, and habits. And then the present continuous or the present progressive, same tense as well, describes things that are happening right now. Now with this in mind, let's have a look at the questions. Sven cooks every Monday. Sven is cooking every Monday. Look for the keywords. Remember last week's secret? In this case, every Monday. Every Monday means something that's happening more than once. So here we have to use the present simple. He cooks every Monday. Last week, this week, next week, repeatedly. Number 2, look, Günther is running. Or look, Günther runs. Runs, not runs. So, what do you think? Look. Look means something that's happening right now. We have to look right now. So we have to use the present continuous. Look, Günther is running is the correct answer. Number 3. Yuki. Yuki cooks right now or Yuki is cooking right now? Keywords, right now. Something that's happening at this very moment. This means we have to use the present continuous. Yuki is cooking right now. And let me tell you, Yuki is a very good cook. Number 4, Simon is currently sleeping. Simon currently sleeps. Currently? Something that's happening at this very moment. So we have to use the present continuous. Is currently sleeping. Number 5, we have Billy. Billy often smiles. Billy is often smiling. What do you think? Yes, often is the key word, which means it happens more than once. So we have to use the present simple. He often smiles. He does this every now and then, or yeah, he does it often, which is a good thing. Number 6, Günther always sleeps. Billy often smiles, Günther always sleeps. Or is Günther always sleeping? Always in this case again means he's doing it more than once. So we have to use the present simple over here. Yep, he's always sleeping. And when he's not sleeping, Günther is scaring people. Number 7, Sven never talks or Sven is never talking. Never means something that is happening more than once, repeatedly. He didn't talk yesterday, not today, not tomorrow. So we have to use present simple. Sven never talks. Number 8. Talking about Yuki. Yuki swims every week, or Yuki is swimming every week. Every week, something that's happening more than once. So we have to use the present simple. Yuki swims every week. Number 9. Listen, Simon snores, or listen, Simon is snoring. Snoring, that's what Simon likes to do while he's sleeping, which is a little disturbing for the others. Listen, again, something that's happening right now. So we have to use the present continuous. Listen, Simon is snoring right now. Last one is Billy. Billy presently takes a shower. Billy is presently taking a shower. Presently also means right now, at this moment. So we have to use the present continuous. This is the correct answer. Bill is presently or at the moment taking a shower. Okay, that's it. How was it? How well did you do? Do you have any questions? If so, leave it in the comment section and we'll get right back to you. Okay, let's begin the lesson. Does anyone have a question?
Yeah. I have a question.
Okay, Sven, what's your question?
I'm not sure anymore. Is it Simon loves or Simon love Yuki?
That's a great question. Let me answer your question by explaining how we form the present simple. That's a very interesting topic. The present simple, it's not that difficult, but it does take a while to explain, which is why I will just be doing part 1 today. Now, how do you form the present simple? It's not that difficult. You add a subject, I, you, Peter, Maria, we. You add a verb, example like, and the rest of the sentence. Now, if you're using I, you, we, and they, the verb stays the same. I like pizza, you like pizza, we like pizza, and they like pizza. However, if you're using he, she, it, or a name, Peter, Maria, John, you have to add an S to the verb. He likes pizza, Maria likes pizza, John likes pizza. If you're German speaking, this will help you remember the S. He, she, it, das S muss mit. If you don't speak German, then just remember he, she, it needs an S or maybe even an ES, which leads us to the first rule. This is a wonderful one. I hate it. But don't worry, there's a work around it that'll help you remember the rule. But here's the rule. Listen to this. If the verb ends in an SH, CH, O, SS, X, or Z, add an ES. So for example, finish becomes finishes. Watch becomes watches. Do, does, go, goes. Now with the O I can't help you. Add an ES. But with the others, instead of remembering that rule, SH, CH, and so on and so forth, just try pronouncing the verb. Peter finishes his homework sounds a lot better than Peter finishes. George watches TV and not George watches TV. So if you can't pronounce the verb, probably have to add an ES. The next rule is the Y rule. If the verb ends in a Y, it depends on the letter which comes before the Y, which precedes the Y. Is it a vowel? A, I, U, E, O. Then nothing changes. You have a Y and you add the S. Enjoy, enjoys. Play, plays. But if it's a consonant, not a vowel, for example, try, there's an R coming before the Y. You delete the Y and you add an IES. Try becomes tries. Worry becomes worries. That's just the way it is. Okay, that's it for now. As usual, I have my little test, which I have prepared for you. You may download it. You'll find the link behind me, or you'll find it in the comment section. You may download it from my website. Take the test, have fun, and as usual, next week, we will correct the test together. Now, if you have any questions, anything you'd like to tell us, any feedback that you'd like to give, use the comment section. It's open for you. We'll do our best, or I'll do my best, and answer all your questions as quickly as possible. And if you like our channel, or my channel, well, it's everybody's channel, it's my gang's channel, then consider subscribing. We would hugely appreciate that. And maybe even clicking on the bell icon so you will be informed whenever there's a new episode. Until then, have a wonderful life, take care, and enjoy. Bye.
Bye. Bye. See you.
Okay, that's it. No more kissy stuff. Blah. Next week is gonna get scary. Günther's gonna take over the lesson. And I'm gonna scare the others, so watch out for a really cool episode. Günther style.